Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys will enjoy today's video. I'll be deep cleaning the kitchen, most of the appliances. So I'll be doing a deep clean of the dishwasher, the oven, stove top, and I'm gonna wipe down the cabinets and just like, yeah, every day I have dishes to unload, and I'm gonna do some dishes, and I'm also gonna deep clean the sink. So it is late in the night, and but y'all know, if you're new here, then you might not know, but I love cleaning at night. It's peace of mind. I love to like get the house reset for when I wake up in the morning. But yeah, let's get it. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing, leave me a comment and a like, and yeah, video suggestions, you name it. I won't be talking a lot through this video. I'll be only talking like right here, and the rest of the video I'll be playing some music. So I hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys and I appreciate y'all. Now thank you. I'm going to start off with some warm water, dish dawn detergent, and some bleach. That's it.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So guys, really quick before we end the video, I'll take a moment to thank Tivisiy for sending me over these two amazing pieces. I absolutely love them and I can't wait to show you guys. So thank you Tivisiy for sending me over these pieces. They specialize in home decor and jewelry and a bunch of other stuff. So I have a ton of stuff to choose from their website. So let's go ahead and unbox these and I'll tell you more about them. Tivisiy is a one-stop destination for creative art, work, home decor, gifts, and more. Some of their products or artworks include their night lights collection, crystal collection, and their upgraded jewelry collection. They also offer 3D wooden carvings, handmade wood carvings, creative wooden crafts, metal arts, crystal lights, and jewelry. Their products are made from high quality material and are durable. Their products were some of the first on the market and are subject to copyright claims. I got the Romantic Love Night Light, which was a part of their Valentine's Day collection, and I also got the Unicorn Night Light. They each come with a USB driver cable and a remote control for multiple mode adjustment. I got the sound activation LED light version. However, you have the option of purchasing it without light or just with LED light version. The sound activation light version has 8 different colors with 4 different sound beat variations. It also includes a little instruction manual. It is super easy to use. There's no setup necessary, and you just plug it in and enjoy. These will make the perfect addition to your home decor, a kid's gift, or a housewarming gift. I have a discount code that I'm gonna leave in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out, or also on the screen right here. And I'm going to leave the link to the product and their website. You definitely check them out in the description box and browse the website. Tons of options to choose from. You will not regret it. You'll absolutely love it. I have been loving my pieces, and the girls absolutely love it also. And as you can see, it looks beautiful without the lights, and even better with them.